Look at the vehicles working so hard at the construction site. Oh, wow.
Oh.
The excavator found something shiny. It looks really special.
What this?
Wow! It's a treasure chest. I need to call the police right away.
McQueen quickly calls the police. When you find something valuable, always report it to the right people.
Oh, hello?
There's a treasure chest here. Can you come and take care of it for me?
But over there, behind the bushes, someone is watching with a sneaky grin.
Okay, I'm on my way.
Oh no! A green smoke suddenly spreads! This looks like a trap!
Yes.
The police have arrived! But what just happened here?
Oh my God!
Wake up. Hey, wake up. Oh, okay.
Watch out! The monster truck hid the sign to trick others!
Let me help you.
Thank you. Let's go catch the thief.
There's a dangerous trap ahead, but the monster truck has no idea. Boom! The monster truck loses control and crashes. That's the price of greed.
Oh.
You are under arrest. Don't be greedy. Live honestly and work together to overcome challenges.
Look at that shaky wooden bridge. It doesn't look very strong. Here come the red and yellow cars. They're racing so fast and having fun.
What's wrong?
Huh?
Did you see those two plank? I've got a fun idea.
What are you planning to do?
I dare you to push this plank.
Oh no! They're knocking pieces off the bridge. That's not safe at all.
You're so weak. Someone's coming. Let's get out of here.
Uh-oh! They broke the bridge and now they're running away. That wasn't the right thing to do.
Huh? 2 planks are missing. It should be fine to cross, right?
Hulk is worried, but he's still trying to cross. That's risky. Oh no! The bridge broke! Hulk and his truck fell into the water.
I'll go get help.
The red and yellow cars heard Hulk. It's time to help! Good teamwork! The yellow car is calling for help while the red car tries to rescue Hulk.
I need your help. The bridge collapsed and someone fell into the river.
Okay, let's go. I'll call for more assistance. I need your help.
We're on our way.
Here comes the rescue team! Working together makes everything better. Great job! The tow truck is pulling Hulk's truck out of the river!
We need to rebuild the bridge.
Okay, let's start.
Time to build a stronger bridge! This one will be much safer! Look at the cement truck pouring cement! It's making the bridge super strong!
Wow!
Whoa! Whoa!
A few moments later.
Wow! The new bridge is ready and looks so sturdy! Great teamwork!
My fruits, they're all gone. We're sorry.
Huh?
Playing around can be dangerous for everyone. Next time, be more careful and don't risk crossing unsafe places, okay?
Look! A small bridge over the river, but it has train tracks. Look, there are 3 prohibition signs. Everyone on the road, be sure to pay attention to the signs. The bridge shakes as the train passes. It doesn't seem very strong.
No motorized vehicles allowed, but I really need to cross quickly. Well, maybe crossing just this once won't hurt. I can do it.
Oh no! He's going for it! Can the bridge hold the weight?
Help me!
The bridge collapses! The truck and cargo fall into the river! Oh no! The tracks have fallen too! A train is coming!
Oh my god. Help me! Help me!
Help, help, help me.
Cries for help fill the air, but who will come to the rescue?
Help, help, hurry up, hurry up.
Huh?
OMG, what happened?
Help, help, hurry up, hurry up.
OMG, this is terrible. Let me call for rescue.
The policeman arrives, sees the disaster, and quickly calls for rescue.
Hello, what's up?
Hey, hello. I need your help. There's been an accident by the riverbank.
Okay, got it. We're on our way.
They rush off to the rescue.
OMG, this is terrible.
Let me save everyone.
The crane lowers its hook and pulls with all its strength to lift the truck.
Yahoo, thank you very much.
Look! The crane has lifted the train off the broken bridge.
We need to rebuild the bridge for the railway and for vehicles to cross.
Okay.
Are they going to rebuild the bridge? Look, the truck is bringing materials to rebuild the bridge. The hands are placing strong plastic panels on the new bridge.
Wow, so beautiful.
Ta-da! The new bridge is complete. Now it's much safer.
Always follow traffic signs. When you see a no entry sign, choose the correct path to protect yourself and others around you.
Wow! Look at that magical tunnel! Where does it lead?
Wow, so beautiful.
Oh, the red car saw the magic door. Should it go in? The other cars are curious too. What's inside?
It looks a bit dangerous.
It's fun!
Wait for us.
Wow! They've arrived somewhere new!
Wow, it's so amazing.
Oh!
What is this? What should we do with it?
We need to complete the challenges to get out of here. Let's play, guys!
Okay.
Aha! We need to find Orange. This is red.
This is green.
Aha!
This is orange.
Yeah, I got it, guys. Let's go. Let's keep going. This is easy. Let me run across and show you. Oh no, what should we do now?
I'll hold one end and you climb up carefully.
Yeah!
It's my turn now.
Yeah!
OMG, how do I get up now?
Come on, you're almost there. Let's go. We're almost there. Why are you slowing down now? Let me do it.
OMG, we really need to slow down when going over speed bumps. Are you okay?
Thanks, guys.
We did it. Let's move on. Yeah, we made it.
Great job, everyone. What a fun and educational journey.
Today's lessons are, first,
A lesson about colors. When we mix red and yellow, we get orange.
next, a lesson about teamwork. When we work together, we can solve difficult problems. Lastly, a lesson about traffic safety. When traveling, always pay attention to signs and slow down when crossing speed bumps.
Hulk smash!
Don't beat me, please.
Smash!
No! No!
Hey, stop. Don't bully others.
Hey, you!
We must take revenge.
Come on, you can do it! Oh, yeah! Woo-hoo-hoo!
Red car.
Let's go!
Wow! I'm so strong.
Yellow, green, light blue, dark blue.
Let's go! Woo-hoo-hoo! Oh, yeah! Wow! Oh, yeah!
We have become stronger. We will win against Hulk.
Yeah! Come on, you can do it!
What are you doing?
Get out.
Oh, come on! Hey, you! Come on! Oh no!
Stop. Stop.
Oh, yeah!
Hey you, remember to subscribe to the channel below.
Uh-oh! The water pipe under the road just burst. Water is spraying everywhere.
Ah, it's so wonderful. Oh no, I'm so dizzy. Don't destroy anymore. Help me call to rescue. Okay, I will help you. Let's go.
La 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 la.
I worked too hard, haha.
Meanwhile, the crane truck is happily singing while scooping sand.
La 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 la.
Help, help, help. Huh? Hey, calm down. What happened? Follow me. Go, go, go.
Okay! Help me!
Oh no, it's so dangerous. Help me. Hurry up.
Okay!
Take the tape and paste the holes.
The crane lowers a roll of tape down into the hole.
Okay!
Clever thinking.
Oh, thank you so much. Let me make it more sure.
Huh?
Oh my God, where did I do wrong?
Huh?
Help me, help me.
Oh no! Help me!
Phew, fortunately have you. We need new water pipes.
Let me call my friend. Hey, help me to transport water pipes.
Okay!
Hello, everyone. I come here. Hurry up, hurry up.
Okay!
Wow, amazing. What? Why me? Let me help.
Okay!
Time to remove the old broken pipe. Out it comes.
Let me take it away. Wow. It looks funny.
Yeah, thank you.
This is too easy for me.
La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la.
Okay!
This time I will be more careful.
The repairman hammers each connection. Tap, tap, tap. He even tapes the joints. Always double check your work.
So nice.
Huh?
I transport sand here. Great.
Watch out. A dump truck is backing up to pour sand in the hole.
I still have here.
Oh no!
Ha ha ha, so funny. Let me help.
Help! Okay! Yahoo!
Almost complete fighting.
Okay!
Making flat roads is my daily work.
Now it's the trailer truck's turn. It rolls the heavy drum to flatten the road nice and smooth.
Okay!
Awesome! The road is finally
Amazing.
complete.
If there are difficulties, don't hesitate to call for help.
A beautiful morning begins, and the dump truck rolls down the road.
Huh?
What is this?
Oh no! Ah!
Hurry up. Remember to subscribe to the channel below.
Oh no! Oh
What to do next?
The dinosaur stomps closer, growling loudly.
It looks so scary. Quick, quick, quick.
The dinosaur breathes fire again. Oh no!
It's so hurt to get away from me. Get away from me. Oh no, what's going on? Help me, please. Okay, let me help you.
The tow truck quickly turns around to find help. Far away, a crane truck is busy loading sand.
Hurry up, hurry up! Help me! There is an accident. Follow me. Okay, go, go, go. Oh my God!
Help me! Okay!
Wow, amazing.
Oh no!
Help me.
Okay!
They pull and pull together. Slowly, the truck starts to move.
Fighting, fighting.
Yes! The truck is finally free from the swamp.
Oh my God, we made it. Hey, thank you so much. We need to fill the hole. Let me help.
The dump truck pours sand to build a new road.
Okay!
The crane flattens the ground, making it strong and safe.
Amazing. Wonderful!
Look at that smooth and sturdy new path.
Don't poke wild animals. Very dangerous. Okay, okay.
Together they drive away, ending their adventurous day.
Hey, remember to subscribe to the channel below.
Hello, hello.
The truck lifts its bed and pours all the Lego pieces onto the ground.
Wow, amazing.
Look, a Lego house appears instantly.
Bye-bye. At home is better sleeping. Hello, hello.
Up above, suddenly the helicopter drops a giant coconut down.
Oh no, what's going on? My house? Oh my God.
I lost my house?
The off-road car escapes and cries for help. Always remember to stay alert.
Yeah, haha, it's a beautiful day.
Over here, the construction vehicles are busy working together.
Help me. Help my house.
What happened? I lost my house. Calm down. We will help you.
Have job for you. Just build a house.
Okay!
That's so great.
Amazing. Okay.
All the construction vehicles are ready to come to the rescue.
Let's go.
Go, go, go.
We come here.
Here they come. Trucks with sand and bricks, cranes, rollers, and mixers.
Let me clean.
First, the crane clears away all the fallen Lego pieces.
Let me fill the hole for safety.
Next, the dump truck fills the hole with fresh sand.
Okay.
Flat road.
The road roller smooths the sand. Teamwork makes every step faster.
La 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 la.
Okay.
Cement will make the house more solid.
The cement mixer pours concrete onto the base.
Okay.
It's fun to work.
Another smooth pass from the roller, perfectly flat.
Bricks come here.
Bricks are stacked neatly to build a strong new wall.
Wow, great. Almost done.
Oh my God, so beautiful. The roof of the sun shields the rain.
Your house is beautiful.
Ta-da! The house is complete, stronger than before.
Thank you so much.
Okay.
Bye-bye.
Together we can rebuild anything. Teamwork always wins.